So locking wheel nut removal when you haven't got a locking wheel nut key. We will need one of these female brake pipe union. What we're going to do is we're going to drive this into here. Works pretty much the same as a Dynomec, but this is the budget option. Now, what I'm going to use to drive that in is an impact driver with a 13mm socket on the end. Socket has got to be shallow. When you put the union in, there's only that much that protrudes. So it's got to be shallow. Will not work with a long reach. You've got to give it a good whack and be confident as you're knocking it in. Right, let's knock it in. So there we go. There is the female brake pipe union driven actually into the locking wheel nut socket. And as you can see, if I get a better picture, that has actually bit into the edges, distorted as it's been hammered in with the impact driver. Right, just get a nut gun and a socket. Obviously, if you're on the floor, you'll be doing this with a breaker bar, which is just as good. Sometimes this does take a couple of attempts, but hey ho. And there we go. One lock nut removed. And when you're finished, you can actually put these back in with that, torque it up, give these a bit of a tap, and usually 9 times out of 10 it'll just come out and no damage to this at all. Hope that helps.